Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the nephron. The nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. In the last video, I had already discussed about the structural organization of kidney. Now, each kidney contains about 1 to 4 million nephrons. The nephrons are the main site where the urine are produced. So in this video, I will discuss about the structural organization of a typical nephron. Here I have drawn a very simple picture of nephron. The nephron consists of two parts, the renal corpuscle and a tubal system. This round-shaped region is called the renal corpuscle. It is always present in the cortex region and it represents the beginning of the nephron. This renal corpuscle consists of two parts. One is glomerulus and number two is Bowman capsule. This is glomerulus. It is a tuft of capillaries composed of 10 to 20 capillary loops. The glomerulus receives its blood supply from an afferent arteriole. The glomerular capillaries exit into efferent arteriole. Now you see this glomerulus is surrounded by a double-layered epithelial cup. This is known as Bowman's capsule. This Bowman's capsule represents the initial portion of the nephron. Here, blood flowing through the glomerular capillaries undergoes filtration to produce glomerular ultrafiltrate. Now, continuing from Bowman's capsule, this remaining portion of the nephron is known as the tubular part or the tubal system. This tubular part has three zones. Number 1, the proximal thick segment. Number 2, the thin segment or Henle's loop. And number 3, distal thick segments. Just beneath the Bowman's capsule, this part is known as proximal thick segment. It has two zones, proximal convoluted tubule or PCT or pars convoluta and proximal straight tubule or pars recta. This tortuous or convoluted zone is known as proximal convoluted tubule. This zone is entirely located in the cortex region. Then it enters into the medullary ray and continues as the proximal straight tubule. This proximal straight tubule then enters into the medulla. This U-shaped thin segment is known as the loop of Henle or the nephron loop. It is located in the medulla. It has two regions. This descending portion is known as thin descending limb. This thin descending limb makes a hairpin turn and returns toward the cortex. After the hairpin turn, this ascending portion is known as thin ascending limb. After the Henle's loop, the tubule again becomes thick. This thick portion is known as thick distal segment. Like proximal thick segment, this portion has also two regions, distal straight tubule and distal convoluted tubule or DCT. This thick straight tubule is known as distal straight tubule. It ascends through the medulla and enters the cortex in the medullary ray. Then the tubule again become less tortuous than the proximal convoluted tubule, and this region is known as distal convoluted tubule or DCT. After the distal convoluted tubule, this short tubular part is known as connecting tubule. Connecting tubule from several nephrons join and form collecting tubules. Now, different collecting tubules again merge and form a large collecting duct. Collecting ducts converge in the renal papilla where they deliver urine to a minor calyx. So this is all about the general structure of a typical nephron. If you have any query, please comment, like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.